Today we're going to replace the driving belt. What we're going to do here pretty much is remove the valve, disconnect the ground cable, remove the lining, and then we have a full access to the driving belt. So let's see how it goes. So now that I trim, after the belt is replaced, a brand new belt. Look how the hole is outside of the belt tensioner. So that is the indicator. When that hole starts going inside, that means it's time for you to replace the belt. The belt now is brand new. Let's check it out. Everything on the supercharger is okay. Let's check it out here. Now you see the belt tensioner. That's really good. Supercharge the pulley. So now we come here, the engine dumper. Engine is running smooth. No noise. Job done. Yeah, on my car I have a 50% reduced pulley. So the belt I use is the NAPA 25060-535. It fits perfect with this belt, with this pulley, reduced pulley. So here, interesting to see how the old belt was. was damaged already. So I was incurring in a big risk. I will try to take some pictures to show better the status what it was. So by the outside is okay, but the inside was all breaking up. Very, very, very dangerous. All right.